Hi, this is Matt with KYGUNCO, here to talk to you about some of the Real Avid products that we have available here at our store in Louisville. Just want to go over some of the offerings that we have. We got the master kit over here that comes with all the parts that are all the tools that you need to work on and service your AR, as far as your master wrench right here. You got the little tool to take off your standard A2 grip or fore-end. You got your lug lock, vice block, and you got a couple other blocks that allow you to service the majority of your parts of your AR. And then that'll get you set up while you're at home in your shop, getting everything cleaned up and everything. And then you got this guy over here, which is their more of like a tactical setup. Comes with a nice little range bag. It comes with a gun mat and everything that you need to service your rifle at the range. As far as guides and stuff like that, you got your block to set it up in your vise again, and a couple of other tools that will help you clean, like such as your firing pin, your bolt carrier, and your bolt. And then here's one other thing that we just recently got in that I know a lot of people have been asking for. This is a sight pusher that allows you to adjust the sights on any type of pistol. So if you want to either adjust them as far as getting them zeroed, or if you want to put on new Trijicon tritium sights or any other offerings that we have on the market, that will be a great option to get you started and get everything going. So this is a few of the offerings that we have here at KYGUNCO. You can stop by anytime and we can talk about them and help you out, get you all set up.